In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your physical Presto card to Apple Wallet. If you've ever wished for a simpler, more seamless way to manage your transit card without having to dig into your pocket or wallet each time, you're in the right place. The convenience of having your Presto card on your iPhone can make your daily commute a lot smoother. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open your Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. It's usually located among your pre-installed apps, and you'll recognize it by its telltale icon. Go ahead and give that a tap to open it up. Now, once you're in the Apple Wallet app, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a little plus sign, which is your invitation to add a new card. Tap on that plus sign and it will start guiding you to the next steps. After hitting the plus button, you'll be presented with a few options. What you need to do here is select Transit Card. This is a crucial step because choosing transit will help the system tailor the rest of the process specifically towards adding a transit card like Presto. With that taken care of, the Apple Wallet will display a list of available transit cards. You will have to scroll through until you find the option for Presto. Once you spot it, go ahead and select it and then click on Continue. Now here's a little flexibility for you. If you want to add funds to your Presto card during this setup, you can. Some people prefer to load a few dollars or even purchase a pass up front just to have that peace of mind for travel expenses. It's completely optional, so you can choose to add funds at this point or move on if you'd rather handle that later. Next, you'll need to either manually enter your card details or take advantage of the scanning option, which lets you scan your physical Presto card using your iPhone's camera. Opt for whichever method is more convenient for you. With the card information successfully entered, you'll then see an option to add to Apple Wallet. Tap that option to proceed. Finally, the Apple Wallet will prompt you to confirm the addition of your Presto card. Follow these on-screen instructions to finish up the setup. Once everything is confirmed, congratulations. Your Presto card should now be saved in your Apple Wallet, and there you have it, no more fumbling with physical cards or worrying about leaving it behind. Everything is stored safely on your phone. I hope this guide has made the transition smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the ease of using your digital Presto card.